Deforestation is one of the most serious environmental problems the world faces today. When we say deforestation, we mean cutting down of trees in the forest in a large numbers. Have you ever asked about the reason for the phenomenon of deforestation? First of all, to increase the land area as to set up a new industries as a result of the increase in the population, and that all by cutting down as many trees as possible. One of the other causes is happened by nature, that when the temperature of the planet rises, it begins to set the fire in the forest so it burns all the trees in the forest. That leads to loss in the number of trees. The effects of the increase in the land area by removing of trees, soil erosion happens, which means elimination of the upper layer of the soil, so wind and water carries away the top layer of the soil. On the other hand, global warming happens as a result of burning of the forests, as it protects the carbon dioxide gas that rise to the layers of the atmosphere and start to rise the temperature of the earth.
And of the proposed solution to reduce deforestation or tree planting. Forests can be protected by planting trees, and that is by planting a new tree in place of each tree that is removed. Avoid complete deforestation by selective crossing of trees, allowing young trees to grow, not being cut down, and delaying cutting down immature trees. Create shelters that provide safe places for many types of animals on the planet. And protecting forests resources protecting forest resources. Attention must be paid to the natural resources of forests, preserving the quality of forests and their water, and not allowing the use of herbicides that damage trees and igniting fires.
On the other hand, we have the air pollution. It is defined as the pollution that affects the atmosphere as a result of the presence of solid, liquid, or gas waste, or the presence of materials that cause the formation of fog that limits vision. The air pollution results from human activities such as waste disposal methods, energy and heat generation, internal combustion process in engines, and emission from industrial process. While fuel combustion constitutes the large part of air pollution due to emission from the combustion process. Also, air pollution may result from natural sources such as volcanic activity, hot springs, and coniferous forests, but the impact of these sources is very small compared to the impact of human sources. From the effects of the air pollution, there is the greenhouse gas, like fossil fuels released by factories to air pollution and add to climate change by raising the Earth's temperature. Moreover, air pollution can have a serious health impact on humans. For example, if you expose to very high levels of air pollutants, you may experience a variation of the coughing and breathing problems and heart attacks.
And of the proposed solution to reduce air pollution or the harmful emissions into the air from vehicles will also be reduced, and converting public transport to electric vehicles. Most of the current means of transport operate on diesel, which contributes to the emissions of large proportions of nitrogen oxides and small particles.